Well, absolutely, Amita. Till now, as many as 13.29 crore people have come to Prayagraj to take
Akansha,
holy
I'm
dip
just going to quickly describe the pictures right now that are coming in live from Prayagraj. So at the Triveni Sangam, here is the Union Home Minister Amit Shah descending down the stairs as he is now. Along with him, Yog Guru Baba Ramdev also said to be present. And we are looking at the top leaders. They are also accompanying the Union Home Minister Amit Shah as he is now about to take the holy dip there. That at the very moment and the very position of the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and the mystical Saraswati is where the holy dip, the confluence, the Sangam or the Triveni Sangam as it is called. And this is that very point that the Union Home Minister accompanied by top leaders as well. You can see another day, another dip for the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself taking this opportunity because he was last seen taking a dip with his entire UP cabinet. And right now on today's day, as he is accompanying the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, we are looking at this ritual, this holy ritual of the holy dip is now being performed by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. So Akansha explaining those pictures right now as the Union Home Minister is now taking a holy dip in the holy Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Right now, what we're getting to know and the visuals we're getting is that Union Home Minister Amit Shah is taking a holy dip along with his family, and he is in fact with Yogi Adityanath, who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. Last week as well, UP Chief Minister was here with his cabinet ministers, and they took a holy dip here. Exact same thing was done. They all arrived at a rail ghat and went towards on this very boat towards the Sangam Ghat, where they all took holy dip. And today, in the visuals, we can see Amit Shah along with his family and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath taking a holy dip in Sangam, that is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Right after this, for puja, they all will be moving towards the Kila Ghat, and from there they will go to Hanuman Mandir, do puja for 20 minutes, and then they will be moving towards Akshay Vat, where there will be another puja. And most importantly, in the afternoon, there will be a very important meeting of the Union Home Minister with the prominent saints as well. And in a heartfelt message, in fact, before this visit, he had mentioned on social media that Mahakumbh is a unique symbol of flow of Sanatan culture. He's very excited to take this holy dip. He's excited to take the blessings of saints as well. And he had called Mahakumbh a great festival of unity and integrity in the holy city of Prayagraj. So right now, in the visuals, you can see Union Minister Amit Shah taking a holy dip along with his family and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Amita.
Well, absolutely. There are a set of rituals that actually need to be followed just before taking the holy dip as well. And minimum how many times one should take also the holy dip or the dubki, at least 3 or 5 or 7 times. That is also when it comes to the importance that is attached while taking the holy dip at the Sangam there. So, of course, a set of rituals, Akansha, that is also followed while taking the holy dip. He is also accompanied by top seers as well, who are giving him the Ashirwad or the blessings as well, as we are looking at the Union Home Minister there taking the holy dip, taking the dubki there in the sacred Mother Ganga, the confluence there which is known as the Triveni Sangam, accompanied by UP Chief Minister. There are other top seers as well who are